Hey everyone, welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today we are making crispy honey chili potato. Golden fried potatoes tossed in goodness of honey and a sauce so irresistible. You will never want to order it again. Sweet, spicy, crunchy, and the perfect starter for a Diwali party or for any festive get-together. The best part, it's super easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. Once you crack this recipe, you will keep coming back for more. So let's get started. Step 1. Heat a wok or deep frying pan and add any vegetable oil for frying. Now take about 4 large potatoes, wash them well and peel off the skin. Add them to a bowl of clean water. Cut each potato into thirds, then slice them into long, thick fingers. Wash the potato fingers again and transfer to another bowl with clean water. Rinse thoroughly until water turns crystal clear. This helps remove the excess starch. Once done, drain the potatoes and keep them in a large bowl, or the same bowl if it's big enough and easy to work with. Next, let's prepare the coating. Add ½ cup corn flour and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Then add 1/4 cup more corn flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, a pinch of red tandoori food color, that's optional, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or more if you like extra spice. Mix all the dry ingredients well with the potatoes. Now gradually add ½ cup water, a little at a time, mixing gently. Add another 1½ tablespoon of water and continue to mix until all the potatoes' fingers are evenly coated and separated from each other. If the batter feels a bit runny, add a little over 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix again. Adjust the color if needed by adding a pinch of more tandoori food color. The coating should be perfectly balanced, not too thick, not too runny. Now drop the coated potatoes into hot oil and fry them for about 2 minutes. Now flip and fry the other side for another 2 minutes on high heat. Gently separate the potatoes if they stick to each other while frying. Once they have cooked for 2 minutes on each side, remove from the oil, drain the excess, and keep them on a plate. Now add the remaining batch and fry them the same way. This step is important to get the perfect crispy and crunchy texture. Once all the potatoes are fried on high flame for 2 minutes each side, we will move on to double frying. With the leftover batter, give it a quick mix, then add only those fried potatoes that have lost their coating or aren't properly covered. Gently coat them again, making sure each piece is nicely covered. Once done, drop them back into the hot oil, this time on a medium flame. Don't stir or touch them for first 2 minutes, then flip and gently separate any pieces that are sticking together. Let them fry for another 2 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally until they turn golden, crispy, and perfectly crunchy. Once done, remove the potatoes from the oil, drain the excess, and transfer them onto a plate. By this time, you will have just a little thickened batter left. Add a splash of water to fix the consistency. Since these potatoes are already coated, you won't need much batter. Gently coat them again and fry on medium flame until golden, crispy, and perfectly crunchy. While our second batch of potatoes is frying, let's quickly crush 3 garlic cloves. You can finely chop or make a paste, whichever you prefer, and keep them aside. Once the potatoes are done, remove from the oil, drain the excess, and keep them on a plate. Remove excess oil, leaving about 2 tablespoons in the wok. On the low flame, just stir one red dried chili and add the garlic. Saute for 30 seconds until the raw smell disappears. Next, add half a cup of tomato ketchup. Add slightly lesser than the half cup. We'll add the remaining later. Mix well, then add a quarter cup of honey. Adding some remaining ketchup. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce and mix them well. Now add 1½ tablespoons of white sesame seeds and mix again. For extra heat, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder or adjust to your taste and mix well. Finally, add all the fried potatoes to the sauce. You will even hear that satisfying crunch as they go in. They are so crispy. Gently toss to coat each piece evenly in the flavorful sauce. Cook for a minute or two to let all the flavors blend beautifully. Then turn off the heat and it's ready. Serve hot, garnish with some chopped spring onions and sesame seeds, and that is set. Crispy, crunchy, and absolutely delicious. The classic honey chili potato is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe. If you try it out, don't forget to share your thoughts and comments below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to Gags Kitchen for more amazing recipes. It's feeling so festive here. My home's all lit up. Wishing you all happy and safe Diwali. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next one.